Hello everyone. So here we have created a basic student attendance app that is built using an Android Studio that contains a simple and basic Android functions. So first of all, we started to design the front page of our app, and we start with our front page UI design that contains a text view button in an relative layout. Next, this is the second page that contains the login information, and for that we have taken a spinner button, edit text and to text view in a relative layout. This is the page where we can see the students attendance. For that we have used two buttons, image button, text view, spinner, and in an relative layout. This page contains the background page of our app. We have used text view in it and allocated with height, padding, text size and text style. Add faculty XML contains a registration form. In that we have used text view, edit text and buttons. This is the main activity class that extends activity in Android, and the onCreate method is overridden and is called activity is created. The layout file activity main is set as the contain view for the activity, and a button with ID button start is initialized using find view by ID and stored in variable start. On-click listener is set for the button, which creates a new intent start the login activity class and start the activity using the start activity method. Overall, the code sets up the UI for the main activity and handles button clicks to start the login activity page. This is the class called login activity, which extends the activity class in an Android. So the layout file login is set as the contain view for the activity. The code initialized with the button with the ID button login, and edit text view with the ID edit text username and edit text password. A spinner with the ID spinner login is also initialized with the spinner login is also initialized. The spinner is populated with an array of two string, that is admin and faculty, and on item selected listener is set on it. Class add faculty activity, which extends the activity class. The code initialize various edit text views with the appropriate ID, that is edit text first name, edit text last name, edit text phone, edit text address, etc., and stores them in corresponding variables. A button with ID register button is also initialized and stored in the register button variable. Overall, the code set up the UI for the add faculty screen, including the edit text view for the user to enter the faculty first and last name, email, phone address, as well as the register button to submit the information. Let's have a look on an emulator that how this app will going to work. So this is the login page that the student will be logging, or admin. The student needs to register first. So when we click on a view student, so we will find that how many student has registered in it. In attendance per student, we will get to know that how many student has an attendance. Now we'll go to the add faculty and we will register on it. Now we will log out from this page and again we will start. Now when we select the faculty option, because we have done the registration as an faculty, so we will write that name and username and we will log in into it. As we have login as a faculty, so we can see the attendance of the students, as well as we can also take the student attendance. So this is the overall look of our project, and it has very basic and simple Android function that are used in it, and also it is easy to use. So thank you very much for watching this video.